Namaste everyone. So here we will be seeing how we can proctor the exam using Microsoft Teams. So here we will be needing to turn on our large gallery mode over here. So you can see as it is highlighting that we need more than 10 people to join. So 10 people or 10 videos at once. So here we will be needing 10 people with video. After that only we would be able to switch to large gallery mode on which we would be doing the proctoring. So we will just wait for some people to join. So here now we are having a class with 11 of the attendees and all the videos are on. So you can see by default we are able to see a total of 9 videos. So our number of students would be more. So over here I'll just click on these 3 dots. This large gallery preview mode will be only available when there are more than 10 attendees over there. Okay, and the same settings we would be doing in large gallery mode also. So how can we see whom we want to? In that case, what can be done? So we are having two main options. One is a spotlight and the second one is to pin a student. In case if we do know how a person is going to behave, so in that case we just have to click on the 3 dots over here and we can click on pin. So if we do that, we will be seeing that students video compulsorily, because over here it may happen that based on the software's algorithm, the number of students whose video, I'll just unpin, so whose video we will be seeing over here, it does update based on the software. So for now we can pin students, so I can pin as many number of students I want. So this is I can do for pinning. So one or sorry, so over here you can see pin option is there. So now I have pinned 2 students, I can pin one more. So I just click on 3 dots and here this pin option is popping up. I'll just pin over here. So this is pinning and here I am seeing the students. One option to proctor properly is this. Then the second option over here to proctor properly is spotlight. So if we suddenly want to see any student who is not seated properly or something, so we can just click on these 3 dots and click on spotlight. So this will bring the student to full screen mode over here. In this again, if it may happen we might be seeing the image is stretched out, so we can just click on these 3 dots and click on fill frame, or we can click on this and click on fit to frame based on how this particular video is going to look. I'll just share one more video from the large gallery mode which we are about to go over there, and there I'll let you know how we can ask student to change the orientation. So I'll just click on stop spotlight. So now it is by default my small gallery mode, and since there are more than 10 videos on, so I can just click on this large gallery mode. As soon as I do that, we will be needing to wait for 10-20 seconds, and now you can see automatically we are able to see everyone's video over here. So here we can see some places the orientation over here seems to be wrong. So here we can just we cannot what we can say spotlight in this large gallery mode. But what best we can do over here is ask, we can spotlight from here, so we can spotlight that particular person, and now you can see I am able to open the video in spotlight mode over here, and then I can request that person to change the orientation. So I'll just stop spotlighting over here, and over here itself I'll just I'll just go to normal gallery mode and let you know how that particular thing works. So I'm just trying to spotlight him. So here we can see everyone. So here what I will be doing is I would be requesting him to change the orientation. In this large gallery mode, we do not have that option to select a individual student over here. We can still pin whoever we want. Okay. In Spotlight, I did try this Spotlight one. So the student is able to see like whom we are going to spotlight, but here it is on my this thing, it is not popping up. So I'll just stop the spotlighting option over here. Now I can see orientations wrong, so I'll just request them. Hriday, I'm not able to see you properly. Can you turn the camera? Can you change the orientation?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, thank
Now,
you.
sir?
Yes, now it is proper. Nishit, Rishi, Darshan,
Yes, sir.
either try
Yes, sir.
auto rotate on or tilt your phone. So if the phone is already horizontal,
Okay, sir.
you will be needing to do auto rotate on. Make sure the mobile is on horizontal mode and then you do auto rotate on. Right. Right.
Where is the proper?
Right. Okay. So here like we might be needing to toggle between these two. That is why I did share both the things, not together more, sorry, gallery and large gallery option. In case of gallery, we have an added option to what we can say pin and check. So in case of gallery mode, we will be directly having the view. So whoever we do spotlight, so I'm just going back to the gallery mode, and whoever I spotlight, so for example I'm just trying to spotlight one student over here. So you can see over here I am able to see that particular person, and I can just click on spotlight, but the only issue over here would be not more than 10 screens. So we will again go back to the together mode. Sorry, large gallery mode over here. So here we can see a total of 49 students. Okay, thank you.